Good morning, primary school. It's Thursday, February 8th, and it's day D. I'm Vidisha
And I'm Aastha.
and here are your morning announcements. Today we'll be having our TET assembly in the MPR and activities in the gym. Everyone looks great in their REIs today. Have fun celebrating TET. This is a general call for classes to collect trays, covers plastic wrap, and roll it up. Grade 2 will do collections, or you can leave it near their classrooms doors so we don't disturb lessons. MakerSpace is open to grades 4 and 5 today at morning recess. We are collecting 1.5 liter bottles and plastic for plastic breaking. Please bring your from home and make sure it's clean. You can drop it off in the MakerSpace. Joke of the day. What has a neck but no body? What? A bottle. Random fact of the day. Popcorn can pop up to 3 feet into the air. The mindfulness quote of the day is, efforts and courage are not enough without purpose and directions. John F. Kennedy. That's it from today's morning announcements. Have a terrific Thursday.